Today I have a recipe that is light, healthy and comforting. It is a bowl which is soothing and warm and perfect for the season. So let's quickly see the recipe for Lauki Soup or Bottle Gourd Soup. First I'm going to start with making the stock for the soup. So I have a few vegetables here that I'm going to chop up. I have around 200 grams of bottle gourd here. Peel it nicely. Let's just chop it into big chunks. I'm going to make the stock in the pressure cooker. I have a small piece of cabbage here. Take 1 tomato, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 big stalk of celery, a few coriander stalks. All the vegetables are chopped up and ready. Let's add in 2 cups of water, cover it, and now let's pressure cook all these vegetables. Bottle gourd or Lauki is a good vegetable to consume in case you are on a diet. It aids digestion and regulates blood sugar. Celery has a lot of antioxidants and ginger and celery gives a very good kick to this soup. Vegetables like drumsticks or even French beans can be used in this stock. Let this cook for about 3 to 4 whistles and then we'll move on. Four whistles are up. Turn off the flame. Once the pressure cooker is nicely cooled down, open it. If you do not have a pressure cooker, you can always boil these vegetables for around 15 to 20 minutes. Add these vegetables into the blender. Don't add all the water in the blender, otherwise it's going to splash everywhere. Let's grind this into a smooth puree. Strain the pulp to get rid of all the seeds of the tomatoes and the skin as well. Let's add in the remaining water from the pressure cooker as well. Let's grind this pulp once again. After grinding it for the second time, you can see there's barely any residual pulp remaining. And now let's put it back on heat. Bring the soup to a boil again. Salt to taste. Just a big pinch of cumin seed powder. Also, let's add in half a teaspoon of ghee. You can even use butter. Mix all these ingredients together. Once the ghee melts, turn off the flame. I'm going to remove it in this bowl. This soup is ready. You can even add drumsticks or French beans to the stock. This is a perfect bowl to detox or just for a cozy day. Do give it a try. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.